pasta with a honey garlic sauce. It's amazing, delicious, all of that good stuff. Come on in the kitchen, let's cook. So guys, today we're cooking with Infusion Blends. Now this is an amazing company that I know of out of Georgia. They sent me this jar of butter to try in some recipes, and I'm trying it out and I'm sharing it with you guys, but I want you to know they did send me this, but I wouldn't tell you about anything that wasn't really good because I'm not going out like that. But you guys, we are using the honey garlic flavor today, and what we're gonna do is make a cream sauce with it. Now you can use these butters to do really anything that you want to with them. You can saute, you can bake, you can grill. They have a lot of options and they have a lot of flavor. But I decided I wanted to make a cream sauce because anybody can saute, but everybody can't cream sauce like we do over here in Alabama. Can I get a witness? All right, sorry I'm crazy, y'all know me. All right, what we're gonna do, I've got 4 tablespoons of butter here. I'm gonna start with a basic roux like we always do, equal parts of fat and flour. And I am using this Infusion Blends honey garlic butter. And can I just say though, you guys, first off, this butter tastes amazing. Yes, I did just taste the butter, okay? So there. I want to know what it was tasting like. You can put this on breads, anything, but it's not just your breads. A lot of times we only think of butter as in putting it on a bread or a biscuit or something like that, but this butter shows that you can do a lot more with it. So I've never made a cream sauce with it though, you guys, so let's try it out, see what happens. You want to start by melting the butter in your skillet. I've already got the noodles going over here. And I've got, again, 4 tablespoons of butter in here. And once this melts down, I'm going to add to that some flour. Simple steps, right? Ooh, y'all, I just caught a whiff of that honey and garlic. Ooh, this is going to be good. Oh, I lost my own train of thought. Well, here's the cream we're going to use, guys. And the butter is melting. Okay. I get easily excited. And y'all know this about me. And I feel so loved because here you are. I love you too. I put some salt in this water with this pasta. You guys, I wish I could say that I was pretending when I make these videos, but I'm really just this crazy. You can ask my family, it's true. Okay, butter has melted, see that? Now I'm gonna add to that my 4 tablespoons of flour, equal parts of fat and flour for a roux. I pre-measured that. Then, just as always, we're just going to whisk this together until the butter absorbs, the flour absorbs the butter. It's gentle whisking. You just don't want that raw taste. We're not trying to cook it, we just don't want that raw flour taste. And to that, we're gonna add our cream. I'm starting with about 2 cups of cream here. There we go. And what you're gonna do is bring this to a boil, because once this comes to a boil, it's gonna thicken up, and it's gonna be done. It's that simple. A couple things I hope you catch from this video. Number 1, cream sauces are really easy to make. Okay. Number 2, something like the Infusion Blends butter is really cool because you don't have to do anything else except use the butter. And because I know this company and I like this company, if you go to their website, Infusion Blends, and order butter, use the code CALIBAMA, CALIBAMA, and you can get a special discount on your butters. Try it, you'll like it. And if you don't like it, tell me what you did with it and I'll help you find a better recipe. They have lots of flavors though, guys, they do. It's really good. I don't like to push products and stuff like that, you know. But if it's something that I cook with and I know it's good, I'm gonna tell y'all because that's just how I do. So here we go, let's get this up to a boil, keep whisking. Cream sauces 101. It smells so good. So good. It's thickening up just like we want it to. Oh my gosh. You guys, I don't know if you can see it or not, but there are like bits of garlic in this. Oh, dear Lord, this looks, oh my God, this is amazing. Look at this. See how that thickened up just like we wanted it to? And those are just garlic and honey pieces. So I'm just gonna turn the heat down now that it's done its initial thickening and just whisk a little bit more. Now, what I'm also doing, I've got my pasta over here cooking. Look at that. And you know what we do with pasta, right guys? You always wanna make sure that you have a little measuring cup or something beside you because you wanna add a little bit of pasta water in here to get the consistency just like you like it. this pasta water. Set it aside, just like that. That's about all we'll need. We don't need a ton. Okay, I'm gonna put these noodles in. I'm gonna go straight in. Just like this, up and at 'em. Up and at 'em. You can also add on top of this some shrimp if you wanted to, or some chicken, or fish. You know, I think I have some salmon in there that I made earlier that might be really good on this. I'm gonna set this aside so you can see it here. And now what I'm gonna do, guys, very simply, whisk this. Look at that. Look at that. Probably should have made a few more noodles, but whatever. I put just a little drop of this pasta water in there to help that consistency along. You don't need a lot of pasta water in these sauces here. Let's move this, make sure you guys can see exactly what I'm doing. And look at that. That's it. I'm gonna boil some more noodles when I finish because this looks amazing. Well, let's get ready to give this a taste. All right, guys, our pasta has finished cooking. I'm gonna put another little drop of this pasta water in there. Always save the pasta water when you boil pasta, because that really will help your sauce come to the consistency that you want. Oh, look at that. And then we're just gonna serve it up. If you're thinking that's a lot of sauce for those few noodles, there's a piece of me that agrees with you, but then there's the piece of me that's getting ready to eat this. No, I'm gonna probably boil some more noodles, guys. Oh, look how good that looks. It's so pretty. Oh. Okay, let's give this a taste. Oh boy, look at that. Isn't that beautiful? And you can see the garlic pieces in there, in the butter. Let's see, the good part about making it something like this, when you make the roux out of the butter that you're using, the flavor goes throughout the dish. All right, fam, we're gonna give this a taste. When you make the roux, oh wow. When you make the roux with the butter, the flavor infuses the entire dish, and it's such a beautiful, subtle flavor, but you can taste the honey, the slight sweetness, and the garlic. It's really good. I'm telling you, some shrimp on top of this, or salmon, or chicken, or whatever, even better. You know what? I'm gonna eat it just like this because this is really good. I'm really enjoying this. Okay, guys, before I make a fool out of myself and end up having this stuff slipping all out my mouth, thank you for being with me today. Don't forget, get it again. Infusion Blends, go check out their butter flavors. They have lots of flavors. And when you order, put in the code CALIBAMA, CALIBAMA, and receive a special discount. Thanks so much for joining me. I'll see you next time on the Love Lab. In the Love Lab. Happy cooking. Oh.